Out, so all the girls and one boy. And then I realized, oh crap. No, just put it down. My, what big mouth you have. Looking like a monster. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hi guys, good morning. Look at me sitting in bed. So, hey guys, so I'm starting the vlog off. Oh Lord, oh, Mr. Williams just got in from work. Yeah, hi, Papa just woke up. Say hi guys. And we're gonna go out. So we're gonna go out today. We're here actually watching Dizzy Burke. And we're gonna go head out today. Me and Feet and Pops gonna go do some running around, so we're gonna bring you guys along with us. But I wanted to start out the vlog, so when I get up and get dressed, I will come back. You say hi, say morning, say hi, say hi. No, say hi. You know, say hi, Pops. He's watching TV. Yeah. Okay, also, we'll see you guys shortly. You know, say hi, Mr. Williams. Say good morning.
Good morning now.
Almost afternoon. So, Mr. Williams gonna go get some sleep. And then I'm gonna go get some stuff because I want to make soup for dinner. Yeah. You know no soup? Well, you know feety. You know feety. So that means I have to make 2 pots, then make it just make 1. I don't have to make 2 pots of soup, I can only make 1 because since you don't want no soup. You want zip? Me I go give you zip. Yeah, it's if I don't want to, but you don't know where food come. Yeah. Oh God.
What's wrong with you?
He doesn't like when he sees us playing rough. He thinks that like it's a fight. He doesn't like that. Myra, you're gonna make him cry. You know, can you beat up in Dada? Yes, good boy. Come on, beat up Dada. You're gonna go bite Mario. Is it? He doesn't like seeing, even when Fate and Memphis play rough, any type of rough playing, he starts crying. He doesn't like seeing it at all because he thinks that we're fighting, so we always have to say we're playing, we're not fighting. So we'll see you guys shortly when we're ready to go.
Okay, tight.
Squeeze him, squeeze that tight. Look at Mario's bedhead. Oh my gosh. So hey guys, we are about to head out. So it's all the girls and one boy.
No, he's a girl too. He's a boss.
So yeah, we're just heading out right now. Yeah, so we're gonna take you guys along with us. Mr. Romario. Alright, so yeah, we'll just take you guys along with us. Oh gosh, guys, don't mind me. I'm exhausted and it's 1:51. I had a late night. Oh gosh. And I didn't even get to sleep. So, but I'm gonna run out anyways because I gotta get the stuff that I need to get, and yeah, then come back and start cooking because I didn't even prep anything. So now I'm gonna have to hurry up and fast do everything when I get home. So we are in the store. We just actually came from the bulk barn because we got some stuff, but probably gonna get coffee, right? So I'm just going to have to kind of move all this. Yes. What am I? Here. Here. This for the when we're cooking. I don't know. Oh, I was asking about the thing. Oh, look these, because I was like, oh, these are cute. For the like, do like a little setup. Like even these, yeah. So to take what, 3 of them, or 1, and then you have like
Where would
this.
you put it? Okay, what exactly do you want to do with it? It's not an actual candy, but it's not big actually. It's just
Guys, so we stopped to get iced Tim Hortons because well, but this thing is so sweet, it's not even funny. So I actually cut off a whole bag of people in the line because I've never been to that Tim Hortons before, and I ended up made it halfway through the line, and then I realized, woo! Then I realized, oh crap! I literally just cut off a whole bunch of people, so I literally had to reverse back out. And of course I apologize, you know. I felt so bad. I was like, oh my. I was like, because there's no sign, so anybody that has not been to that Tim Hortons would eventually gone straight through it. I thought that's where they were supposed to go. But we got most of the stuff. Pops is there having a...
he finished it.
You finished it?
No.
Oh, that's good. That's his first Timbit he had.
Is it good?
We got him
Look
on
at
honey.
his face! Look at his
Here, give it
face!
to him. He had a honey glaze one.
Here.
But it's nice out, guys. Oh, it's actually nice out. We had the window down a bit, but boy, I don't know what they put. Oh, I don't know what they starts putting in these ice caps, but these things are sugar.
This is less sweet.
I bought these for the kids, but even that, they're
stale.
sweet. They're stale, but yet you guys are still eating them.
I ate one. I can feel the cavities coming on.
The cavities coming on, and you just came from went to the dentist like what? Not too long ago.
About not long ago. A month ago, eh?
Couple of months ago.
Good long ago. January is the last time I went.
When do you have to go back?
August. Probably enough to get this cavity filled. The top one.
Well, I just came from the dentist and I ain't trying to go back.
I have to go back for checkup every 6 months.
I have to go back for a cleaning.
Oh, I went for my cleaning. That's what I went for in the
Yeah, I just have one more cleaning to go do at the end of this.
Because I have to check this, the filling in this teeth, and then they also have to.
So for our ice cap, what we usually get is what we get, just get the ice cap with a whipped cream shot, and then we get the whipped cream
Vanilla
on top.
shot and whipped cream.
Oh yeah, the vanilla shot. See, now I'm talking nonsense. This thing is so sweet. Well, I love the whipped cream.
Mommy, he's not even. He's gonna like. He take off all the sugar off.
The sugar's all over it.
He took the sugar all. He just sucked off all the sugar and he eats the timbe. That's
Hi, Papa. Is it good? Yummy.
Bro, stop looking so worried at the camera. Looks like I'm invading his privacy.
He's like, Fate, I'm eating. What are you showing everybody me for?
Damn.
So when we're going home to go make soup, and then I just realized, I was like, crap. The other day when I went grocery shopping,
You never buy no flour.
I didn't buy no flour. Well, flour's like what, $28? Who the hell is spending $28 on flour? So
I'm about to go open up a
if I go and see the flour again for $28, I am still not buying it. I'm just gonna have to buy like a small pack. But I usually buy the, what is it? Is it 10 pound? I think the 10 pound bag, because it lasts longer.
The bag that's as heavy as Romari. How heavy is your baby?
Which one's yours, Fate?
The one at the top is yours.
This
The
one?
bottom is mine.
No. Oh, this thing's so sweet. Oh man. So the guys that are home sleeping.
Crazy.
No noise, so Romario's gone. So Romario's not there screaming. But as soon as we get home, Mario will definitely.
And we hear him all
You don't know that he's home.
He will everybody we know in the boom. He screams literally in the hallway.
Because he's like, ah!
And he was walking around in the store trying to pick up the little things and open the jars.
So, like, we're getting ready for Pop's birthday. So, yeah, that's what we're doing. And Faith is actually going to bake his birthday cake. Yeah, so Faith's doing the cake, and we're decorating. Usual.
Wow.
Oh gosh.
Don't worry, so you'll wash the dishes after we eat and everything.
No, I don't want to.
So that's what we're doing. But it'll be nice to see, like, so we're testing out the cake. Faith making the cake this weekend. We're testing it out, and then next weekend is Pop's birthday, and yeah, then we have plans to take him out for his first birthday.
Put your feet down.
That is stuffed dead animal.
Put your feet down.
So we're excited to do that as well.
Put your foot down. No, just put it down and put your foot down.
He's like, I got caught red-handed.
Watch it when you so put it.
Everybody turning in this lane. And they could pull up faster, and look how far they are away. You're in the turning lane, they're way back there and blocking off traffic.
Yummy.
Well, oh, that one just sneezed. His whole head went. Seems so sweet, guys. Oh. So, I just gotta go home. I got a few things that I have to order because the theme of the cake. We tried to find most of the stuff at Bulk Barn, but they didn't have, so I'm just gonna order whatever else I need off Amazon. He has a couple of packages coming, so yeah, I'm excited. I think it's gonna be just nice. Oh, what is that that just fell?
It's a plane.
So I guess we'll catch you guys in the store. Okay. I'm exhausted. Okay, so we've been back home for about maybe half an hour now.
In peace, but me, I'm too much.
My, what big mouth you have.
Got me feeling like a mom in here.
So the stove is on. Oh, did you give Pop's piece? You couldn't give Romario piece? Disgusting. You did hide. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So, see, he follow you? Oh my gosh. He pushed the whole thing in his mouth. Memphis, catch him. And Memphis there, give Romario cotton candy. Watch it to in the talk. Romario was laughing. Yeah. See, yeah, that's what you get for being crazy. Yeah, look. Yeah, so let me show you guys. I'm just about to go make the flour now. I got my stuff. I'm about to make the flour, and pot is going, and I'm gonna put in the meat and stuff. So I'm just prepping all the stuff. I chopped up all this stuff. Guys, well, I got the flour for what, $18? Yeah, that's the price I got the flour for. Aww. But look, I got these cute little things to go with Pop's birthday theme. Yeah, they look so cute. And then Faith also got cotton candy, which Memphis just ate the pink one out of, to go with it. And then we got this to go with it. Oh gosh, guys, let me cut up this something there. And the thing is just like scratching my skin. Because some of the water from where I cut up, anytime like I cut up, what is it? Corn? Chop up the corn or something. Oh gosh.
He did it all over my bed.
Hey.
I need this.
So. Hi. So Mario's still sleeping, regardless of the noise that you guys be hearing the kids are making. Oh Lord. So I'm just gonna go chop up something that the kids didn't say they didn't want no so yeah, we're just gonna make the chicken soup. So I'm just gonna go cut up the meat and then put it in the pot before we get going. And yeah, be able to do dumpling and then get those in. The yam and sweet potato and all that stuff is already cut up and ready to go. So I'm just going to do that. But I'm making enough soup for 2 days. So I don't have to cook today nor tomorrow. Yeah, and I love that for me. Oh, and I got these pina colada from the dollar store. So I love these because it's my favorite drink. So, and this one's already pre-made. So why not? Make sure I picked up 2. So we have. So whenever we feel like a nice cold drink, and it's one of those favorite drinks too to have. So we can have some of that. We can have some of that. Oh gosh. So, but I'm gonna go get this thing that I need to get done, and Faith's got to go hunting now for some stuff because we went to the place. It's to the bulk barn. Didn't find all the stuff we needed. Oh, are 3 of these coming here, Faith? I think it says 3 12-inch. Yeah. Oh, that's good. So you have it for later. And we had got this topper thing. So yeah. My baker here is going to bake. So we're gonna do a trial run of a cake, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, what you look for? So yeah, I'll come back when I get everything in the pot and yeah, show you guys what it looks like. Hey guys, so soup is almost finished, as you can see. Yeah, the soup is going and it's almost finished. So time for me to go shower, and yeah, so Mr. William wanted mostly ital soup, so I pretty mostly ital soup and get me just put a little bit of chicken breast in it and cut it up fine, 1 piece. So we have that. And this one here, as you can see, mostly chicken back. Yeah, I just used chicken back on my soup. I was craving it. I wanted some chicken foot, but couldn't bother. Yeah, so that is the soup. That is dinner. 2 days.